This place is a mess! You guys are a bunch of litter bugs! Let's clean up!
Ew, why?
'Cause you've got to be respecting the mother, Mama! Mother? As in mother, may I? Titans! Go! No, not the mother, may I? The mother nature! Never mind then. Titans? Stay here. So we're messy. We're teenagers! Is what we do. No, Sai. There's no excuses for being a litter bug. Ooh, I would very much like to be the glitter bug. A tiny little insect so glittering and precious. Yes, I will be the glitter bug. Star, that's actually not anything like what I'm talking about. Sorry for the violence. I just need us to pick up.
Pass.
I'm out. I will also be doing the passing of the cleanup. Fine for you guys. I'll do it all on my own. I'm all about being messy. You just gotta pick up a few things out in the natures. Where am I? Help! Help! Robin! Starfire Raven! Cyborg! Help! There's no need to struggle, you adorable little green thing. Okay, who are you? You don't recognize me? I'm Poison Ivy, protector of nature. And I love everything that's green. Just like little old you. Boop! Don't boop me! No one boops me! I don't even know you like that, girl! Well, I know you. I saw you talking to those titans and letting them know your love for Mother Nature. And I have the same love for the Mother Nature. That's cool. So what am I doing here? You're going to work with me now. So this isn't a surprise party? No, why would I throw you a surprise party? I don't know, girl. I thought you liked me and also I thought you'd throw me a surprise party. It's not a surprise party. Why not? It just isn't. Okay, but why? Fine, it's a surprise party. Now will you listen to my plan? Oh, I can't wait for all the guests to get here. Did you invite Cyborg and Robin? It's not a surprise party. Then why did you just tell me it was? I just wanted you to listen to me. Ah, I get you, girl. You're trying to keep the surprise. No party. Is there cake? No cake. Is there a clown?
Hey!
Fine, there's a clown. Will you listen to my plan now? Nope. I don't like clowns. They terrify me.
Hey!
There wasn't a clown anyways. Now I'm confused. No party, no cake, no clowns. Just destruction of everything that's not green. Do you understand now? Stop right there, Poison Ivy. No, you got it all wrong. You're supposed to say surprise. This is awful. You give us back, Beast Boy, or you'll have to deal with all of us. You can take him. His logic is insufferable. I thought we were on the same page. We love Mother Nature. We're both green, and we're going to save the planet from the likes of you Titans. Whoa, Mama. I got to stop you right there. I may love me some Mother Nature, but I totes loves my friends too. We gots to be cleaning up, but we don't gots to get violent about it. I disagree. You disappointed me, Beast Boy, but I'll be back for all of you Titans. That was like the easiest battle we've ever had. You know, I kind of like her. You're welcome. Once again, my keen intellect, reasoning skills, and fierce battle moves saved the day. I think it was the Beast Boy that saved the day today! Hey, thanks, Star! You are the welcome, and I, for one, will help you with the cleaning up of the Mother Nature. Yeah, me too! I'm sorry about that, Beastie. Still friends? BFFs, bro?
Yeah, I'm sorry too, Beast Boy.
What was that?
I'm sorry or whatever.
Did I hear apology? Fine, I'm sorry, alright?
Yeah, me too, Beast Boy. Sorry.
That is quite alright. Now who wants a hug? Ew. I will do the passing. Nope.
No.
Okay then. Let's get to the surprise party. No surprise party. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching Epic Toy Channel. I'm Cassie and this is so much fun. I love these Imaginext Teen Titans Go. They are so awesome. And oh my gosh, Beast Boy is totally the coolest. But let me know in the comments below which of these toys is your favorite. Do you like Robin, Raven, Starfire, Cyborg, Beast Boy? Or are you a fan of the villainous lady, Poison Ivy? Thanks so much for watching Epic Toy Channel. You guys are the best. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Zoey, the fire's right there on that car. Put it out. Push the button to put it out. And then she's going to put out the fire. Are you ready to do this?
Ready to do this.
Is this dangerous?
We're gonna smash a pumpkin.
Are you guys ready for this?
Yay! Ready!
Chase, are you